Hi, I hope you're doing well. Uh, Actually, I've not planned to do this video. It has just happened suddenly, and there is this type of vegetables. It is wild vegetables, and actually they grow on their own. So I've decided to share with you. And you can see, like, they have just started. My videographer is not around, and so I have to do myself. So right now, I want to go to the Shamba Boy and show you that vegetables, that's what we are going to cook today. And man, it tastes so delicious. Like, way I wish it could produce seeds of their own, so that in case you're a farmer, you can decide to plant. But unfortunately, they do not produce their own seeds. It just happened, it grows on their own, and it is so tasty. So in a moment, I'm going to show you as I go to the shamba. So in case you have not give the video a like, kindly go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So into it. This is our gate here. And this is how my home looks like. You remember? I hope you've watched the previous video whereby I was trying to remove the weeds from the shamba. Yeah. And you see the plants have really nourished very well. Thanks be to God, there was rain, not like those other days. It is a wild plant. I've noticed somewhere some. Let me show you. Yeah. Oh my God, this is the plant. This one. I don't know if you're seeing it clearly. My mom told me that where you cannot plant these. They just happen to grow on their own. Especially when especially during rainy season. This one. I don't know if you know this kind of plants. I don't know. It is the most vegetables I've ever tasted in my life. Let me tell you the truth. Is also this one is vegetables. It is called murenda, but it is wild murenda. You don't plant; they also grow on their own. Here are another one, this one, and also this one. Very sweet. And by the way, it's so hot, as you can see. It's very hot. It is afternoon right now here in my place. So I'm going to pluck out these vegetables that I'm telling you. So this is what you're going to cook. I think because I'm only with my mom, this is going to be enough. But my mom advised me that I should mix with the green amaranthus. There is a video that I shot, but that day I was cooking the red amaranthus. So my mom told me when I want to cook this kind of vegetables, I can mix with the green amaranthus. And also green amaranthus is a very nice vegetable, and that is what most of the people take here in my place. Yeah. Forgive me, I'm the one who is taking the video today, so forgive the shaking. Yeah. And please spread the love by hitting that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, give the video a like. Just like the video so that people can enjoy this kind of village life. This is yesterday's vegetables, cabbage. I'm trying to boil this one before I can go ahead and prepare that vegetable which you are seeing over there. water for cooking ugali, and this is the vegetable that I'm trying to prepare. Yeah, today is multitasking, you know. So what I'm doing is like sieving, you know, like once you have washed for the first time and second time, I'm now sieving it. Any kind of salt, any kind of salt. Trust me, it's so yummy. Anyway, let me know where you're watching from and what you think about today's video. Don't forget to leave a sweet comment for your girl. Bye bye till we meet in the next video. I love you all.